The MSuperX, perhaps one of the best electric unicycles of 2018. It's a 19-inch wheel that injects some new ideas into a proven, powerful model. One of these new ideas is a brand new seat. This seat. The seat I'm currently sitting on. It looks great and feels amazing on your bum. Standing is great too. There's nothing quite like riding one of these single-wheel devices from the future. It feels like I'm skiing on endless powder every day, and I didn't even have to buy a lift ticket. Now back to the seat for a second. Wait a minute, where did my seat go? Hold on for a second here. Sadly, when I went back for my seat, it was gone from the scene. I love the seat, but please consider securing it to your wheel with some sort of fastener or adhesive.